Okay, next question is application-based question. Vikram is creating a project in HTML. He wants to insert hyperlinks in it, but he doesn't know how to do it. Suggest him the tag which fulfills.
href.
href is an attribute. अभी हमने बोला href is an attribute. A tag. Anchor tag पूरा syntax दोगे. Anchor tag, a tag and href attribute. A space href is equal to address of the document and close the bracket. Close the bracket also here. Okay, you will give the complete address. Complete address, a tag, href attribute. Then syntax is a space href is equal to address of the document. Then Rajesh wants to display the contents of his project in a sequential manner. Suggest him the tag which he can use to do the same.
Ma'am, OL.
OL.
Ma'am, OL tag.
Okay, OL tag.
Order list.
Ordered list tag. Okay. Okay. Next one, multiple choice question. Which tag is used to create an ordered list?
OL
Ma'am,
tag.
OL
OL
tag.
tag.
OL tag.
OL tag. Which tag is used to create an ordered list? OL tag. Which attribute is used to set the border color of a table?
Border color.
Ma'am, border color.
Border color. Which attribute is used to change the style of bullets in a list?
Type.
Ma'am, type. Ma'am, type attribute.
Type attribute. Which tag is used to end an unordered list?
Ma'am, C. Ma'am, C option.
Beta unordered list.
A option
Ma'am,
है.
UL. A
UL.
option.
Unordered
UL.
list, UL tag. So it will be first option with the slash. Unordered list. Okay. Next, which attribute is used to set the background color of a row?
Ma'am,
TRBG color.
Ma'am, BG color.
TRBG color. Okay. Which what is the default bullet type?
Ma'am, disk.
Unordered list.
Disk.
Disk. Okay, disk.
मैम एक बार पिछला पेज दिखाना.
Hanji, any doubt in MCQs, in true, false, or in the fill in the blanks? Okay, by default bullet type is this. Background color of a row. Row is defined with TR tag, TRBG color. Okay, next we are having question answers, and these question answers you will do in your fair notebooks and you will submit the copy before 27th. Anji, define the term table. What is table? What is table? Anyone? Raise your hand.
Ma'am, arrange data in rows and columns.
Table is used to arrange data in the form of rows and columns. Okay, table is a, define the term table. Table is an organized way of representing information in the form of rows and columns. Table is an organized way of presenting information in the form of rows and columns. What are its uses? What are its uses?
Ma'am, to present data in a comprehensive manner.
Okay, present information or data in a comprehensive manner. Second,
Ma'am, make comparative analysis of data.
Make comparative analysis of data. Correct. 2 points which are given in your book, page number 127. A table is an organized way of presenting information in the form of rows and columns. 2 uses of table are present information in our data in a comprehensive manner or in an attractive manner. Second, it can be used to, it helps in the comparative analysis of data. 2 uses. Got it, everyone? Yes, Amarjot, Sarthak, did you get that? Avdi? Okay. What is the significance of TR and TD tags in a table? कल करवाए हैं मैंने, दोनों sections में करवाए हैं. What is the use of TR tag? I told you to note down in your rough copies.
Ma'am, TR, also known as table row, is used to define rows, and TD, known as table data, is used to define values for each cell.
Correct. Table row, TR, the full form of TR tag is table row. Full form of TD tag is table data. Okay. Then TR tag is used to define rows in a table. TD tag is used to define the contents of each cell in a table. Content can be text, can be number, can be image, can be hyperlink. आपका कंटेंट जो है टेबल के अंदर सेल्स के अंदर क्या डिस्प्ले होगा वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. इट कैन बी वन इमेज, इट कैन बी हाइपरलिंक, इट कैन बी सिंपल टेक्स्ट. सो TR tag is used to define the rows in a table. TD tag is used to define the contents of the cell in a table. Content of a cell in a table. Anji, got it? Any doubt? Next, differentiate between cell padding and cell spacing.
मैं बोलूं?
Okay.
Ma'am, cell padding में this attribute sets the margin within a cell, and cell spacing, this attribute is used to specify the minimum distance between two adjacent cells.
Okay. Cell padding defines the distance between the cell content and the border of the cell. It is also given in the second line. आपने first line बोलिए defines the margins within a cell, वो भी correct है. Cell padding creates a space between the edge of the cell and the content of the cell. Cell spacing defines the distance between two adjacent cells. Okay, cell spacing defines the distance between two adjacent cells. Cell padding defines the space between the content of the cell and the cell border. Cell border से लेके content तक कितना distance है मैंने आपको कल practically करके दिखाया है. And cell spacing defines the distance between adjacent cells. हाँ जी, clear है यहाँ तक? तीनों क्वेश्चन क्लियर है? किसी को कोई डाउट है? कोई क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं समझ आया हो? Anyone? Arman, Viren, Arish, Akshat, Anand? Yes?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next is difference between border color and BG color. Border color and BG color of table tag. Two attributes, both are the attributes of table tag. Border color क्या करता है और BG color क्या करता है? Yes, I can see only 3 hands in the class. So 62, 63 participants are there and I can see the hands of only 3 students. Why so? Rest of the students didn't know the answer. Yes, Japji, Ishan. Japji, what is the answer for this question?
May
What
I
is the
answer?
difference between border color and PG color?
पूजा भाई.
Yes, Taranya, Amarjot, anyone? Border color and BG color. Rhythm just joined the class. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, border color is an attribute which is used to provide color to the border of the table, and BG color is an attribute which is used to provide the background of the web page.
Background color of the table. अभी हम table की बात कर रहे हैं, दोनों attribute table tag के हैं, तो you will say BG color attribute defines the background color for the table, and border color defines the color of the border of a table. टेबल के बॉर्डर का क्या कलर होना चाहिए? टेबल कलर ऑफ द बॉर्डर ऑफ टेबल. ठीक है, बीजी बॉर्डर कलर डिफाइंस द कलर ऑफ द बॉर्डर ऑफ अ टेबल. बीजी कलर डिफाइंस द बैकग्राउंड कलर ऑफ अ टेबल. दिस इज द डिफरेंस. ओके, हाउ विल यू क्रिएट अ लिंक ऑन अ वेब पेज? हाउ विल यू क्रिएट अ लिंक ऑन अ वेब पेज? लिंक कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं?
मैं बोलूं?
How to create hyperlinks? Yes, anyone else? Chahat, Jayant, Kritika, Manasvi. Manasvi, how will you create the links on a table?
May I speak?
No, just wait. Yes, Somil, Manasvi, how will you create a links in a table?
By using anchor tag.
By using anchor tag. पूरा आंसर बोलो. Yes. पूरा आंसर बोलो बच्चे. How you create a hyperlink? To create hyperlinks, anchor tag is used. Yes, Somil, Manasvi, you are not
मैम
present
इसका
in the class.
सिंटेक्स भी लिखना है.
बिल्कुल सिंटेक्स पे लिखना है, एट्रीब्यूट भी बताना है. Yes, anyone else? Avdi? Again, only 3 hands. I'm calling you again and again. Just give answer at least in the class. If you do not know the answer, even then unmute yourself and say that I don't know the answer. At least give response. Otherwise, I will mark absent for all of you. Pragati? Yes. What is the difference? How will you create links on a web page? Which tag is used to create links on a web page? Yes.
Anchor tag.
Anchor tag. तो correct हो गया बेटा. Full sentence में answer देना है. Yes, and we can create hyperlinks by using the anchor tag. That is the bracket में लिखोगे a tag and the href attribute
मैम
of
href
a tag.
attribute.
Href attribute of a tag stores the reference or the address of the document that you want to link, and the text that appears as a hyperlink is given in between the opening and closing a tag. पूरा
A
लिखोगे.
tag.
Opening and closing a tag. Page number 130, last paragraph. To create a hyperlink, a tag is used. Href attribute of a tag specifies stores the address of the reference of the document that is to be linked, and the text that appears as a hyperlink is given between the opening and closing a tag. Then you also specify the syntax. A space href is equal to source of the document, and then also give the text, and then give the closing a tag like this. Address of document that you want to open. Then give the text, hyperlink text that will appear as a hyperlink, and then close the a tag. I'm saying it again and again. Everybody, please unmute yourself and give answers at least. If you are not going to switch on your cameras, then at least unmute yourself and give answers. First of all, write a tag, that is to create hyperlinks. Anchor tag is used. Href attribute specifies the address of the document to be opened. Then address of the document to be linked. Then the text that will appear as a hyperlink is given between the opening and closing a tag. Then write the syntax. So complete answer likhna aapne. Last question. What is the difference between OL and ordered and unordered list?
Number.
मैम मैं आएंगे.
Yes, Taranya. Taranya, what is the difference between ordered and unordered list?
Unordered list is also known as bulleted list. Ordered list is also known as numbered list. Unordered list is a list where bullets are used for each list item, and ordered list is a list where numbers are used for each list item. In unordered list, this type of list is used when order of item is not important, and ordered list, this type of list is used when order of item in a list is important.
Very good, very good. Correct answer. All the 3 points. First of all, unordered list is also known as bulleted list. Ordered list is known as numbered list. Okay? In unordered list, bullets are used, and in ordered list, numbering are used, numbers are used. Third, in unordered list is used when the order of items is not important, and ordered list is used when the order of items is important. Order of items in a list is important. So 3 points are there. 1. Yes, who will repeat the answer? Kisko samajh aa gaya answer? Who will repeat it? Yes, Kritika, Manasvi, will you repeat the answer?
Ma'am, may I repeat?
मैम मैं आई रिपीट.
Okay. Anjani.
Unordered list is the list where bullets are used for each list item. This type of list is used when order of items in a list are not important.
Correct.
Ordered list is where numbers are used for each list item. This type of list is used where order of items in a list
is not is
is
important.
important. ठीक है? And third point, unordered list is also known as bulleted list, and ordered list is also known
Is
as
also known
numbered
as
list.
numbered list.
Numbered list, correct? हाँ जी, सबको clear हो गया? सबको clear हो गया? Any doubt in the question
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
or in any of the
Yes, ma'am,
exercise?
clear.
Clear hai. Okay, then yesterday I had given one activity. You are supposed to do the coding for page number 135. पेज नंबर 135 यहाँ पर दो वेब पेजेस दिया हुआ है. फर्स्ट वेब पेज इज फॉर माय क्लासमेट्स. उसके नीचे एक टेबल दिया हुआ है. यू आर सपोज टू डू द HTML कोडिंग फॉर दैट पेज. हैड एनीबॉडी डन 8th D क्लास? आपको दिया था मैंने. हैड एनीबॉडी डन दिस? किसी ने किया है? रितम, जपजी, मनस्वी, कृतिका, एनीवन? अवधि? ओके,
मैम कल करके ले आएंगे.
कल करके ले आओगे. ओके ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अभी करते हैं क्लास में. आप मेरे को आप बताओगे, मैं टाइप करूंगी. ठीक है? What will be the coding? Now create a web page and set its title as my classmates. Set the top
Ma'am,
margin
firstly
of the
we
web
will
page
use
is
HTML
75.
tag.
First of all, we will start the page with HTML tag, then head,
And then head tag.
Head
then
tag,
Ma'am, title tag.
title
title.
tag,
Title क्या देना है हमने?
my
Ma'am,
classmate.
7 wonders of the world.
नो नो नो, टॉप वाला नहीं बेटा, ऊपर वाला देखो, माय क्लासमेट्स वाला. Say create a web page and set its title as my classmates. Page number 135. हाँ जी, my classmates title आ गया. Close the title tag, then close
Ma'am,
the
then
head tag.
tag.
Now
Ma'am, body tag.
body tag. Body tag में इसको बोला गया है set the top margin of the web page as
Ma'am,
75.
attribute use करेंगे.
Okay, which attribute?
Ma'am,
Top
top
margin
margin.
is equal to
Top
75.
margin. Top margin equals to 75. ठीक है? Then next उसने दिया है set the table border size to 3 pixels and border color to green. Height is 250 pixels and width is 500 pixels. Align the table in the center of the web page. So many attributes are there for the table tag. First of all, my classmates, that is also to be written. My classmates आपका heading page के ऊपर वो भी नजर आना चाहिए. तो किसके साथ लिखे?
Font.
फॉन्ट के साथ भी लिख
Ma'am,
सकते हैं.
font.
और
H1.
H1 align equals to center.
Ma'am,
अगर
center.
कलर नहीं दे रहे, then my classmates and then close H1 tag.
H1 tag, ma'am.
ठीक है? Close H1 tag. Now create the table. Table के कौन कौन सा attribute आ रहा है? First, border size is 3 pixels. क्या लिखे?
BG color.
Border size आ रहा है.
Ma'am, border. Ma'am, border attribute.
Border
Border
equals
Border
to
attribute.
3. Then border color is green. Border
Ma'am,
color
border color. Green.
equals to green. Okay, then table height should be 250. Table height
Yes, ma'am.
should
Width
be
Height is equal
250.
to
Ma'am,
250.
Ma'am,
HEIGHT
width
height
500.
equals to 250. Width is
Ma'am,
500 pixels.
height and width attribute.
Width equals to 500. Then align the table in the center.
Line attribute, ma'am.
Align
is
equals to center.
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 ठीक है? टेबल डिफाइन स्टार्ट हो गया. अब उसके बाद उसने क्या बोला है? Create 5 columns in the table named as S number, name, birthday, email ID, phone number. Then create 5 rows of the table, enter the records. Set the background color and border color of the heading row is pink and green. ठीक है? And set the cell padding attribute of table to 5. So that means हमें यहाँ एक और attribute use करना है. Cell padding
Padding, ma'am.
equals to 5. ठीक है? Then background color of the heading row is pink. First row का background color pink है. So first of all, we will define the TR for first row. Then BG color equals to pink.
Pink.
Now define the first column, first heading, S number. TD से देंगे या TH से देंगे? Whether I should
TD.
use TD or
Ma'am,
TH?
TD. Ma'am, TD. Ma'am, it is used to
Please.
define the content of a cell.
Content of a cell. TH is also used to define the content of a cell, but it is given in bold and center. So first row है वो headings हैं. Headings should be bold and in the center of the cell. तो अगर हम इसको TH के साथ देंगे तो आपका कंटेंट जो है वो ऑटोमेटिकली बोल्ड भी आएगा और सेंटर में भी आएगा. So TH and TD both are used to define the content of a cell. Okay. Second, again TH. First row है इसलिए TH के साथ दे रही हूँ. बाकी की रोज हम TD के साथ देंगे. Again TH. Define each cell. Birthday. Close TH. Then again TH. Email ID. Then close TH. Okay, then last one again TH, phone number.
Phone number.
Okay, then close TH. Now first row is finished. Start with the second row. Now define the second row. अब लिखेंगे TD के साथ. TD 1, close TD. अब क्या लिखूं? What should I write now? Yes, anyone? Ab second
Nitin.
call. Huh?
TD Nitin.
TD
Nitin.
Nitin. Okay. Close TD tag. Again third value. TD के साथ क्या आ रहा है? 12
Purva.
June.
Oh, ma'am,
Close
12
TD.
June.
ठीक है, अब नजर आ रहा है सबको?
Ma'am, Nitin at the rate.
Again
Yes,
TD.
ma'am.
अब email ID. Nitin at Yahoo.
.in.
Okay, then close TD tag. Then again fifth column.
Ma'am,
TD. Yes. 22
ma'am,
3
2, 2, 3,
4
4.
4 5
5, 7,
7 4. Okay, close TD. Close TR. In the same way, you will continue creating the all the rows. मैं अभी आपको इसकी आउटपुट दिखा रही हूँ. ठीक है, पहले हम इतने की आउटपुट देख लेते हैं, करेक्ट आ रही है. Then we will continue with all the rows. Save it. All files. Classmates.html. All of you will create this web page. All of you will create this web page and you will show me in the next class. Or you can also send me the screenshots. Okay, I'm opening it. Documents. Classmates.html. Open. See. हमने फिफ्थ रो में फोन नंबर नहीं लिखा है, गड़बड़ आ रही है. ये देखो H1 के साथ माय क्लासमेट्स आ गया. नाउ टाइटल टैग के साथ हम जो देते हैं वो देखो यहाँ नजर आ रहा है, यहाँ टैब पे टाइटल बार ऑफ द टैब क्लासमेट्स, ये टाइटल आ गया. ये H1 के साथ जो हमने दिया था ये वो आ गया. हाइट एंड विड्थ ऑफ द टेबल इज देयर. TH के साथ जो हमने हेडिंग डिफाइन किए, दे आर इन बोल्ड एंड दे आर इन द सेंटर. Okay, they are in bold and they are in center. Okay, now again go back to the coding. Check करो last वाला column क्यों नहीं आ रहा? Because यहाँ पे TH bracket close नहीं हुई. Save it. Go to the browser and refresh it. Now see, phone number is also there. ठीक है? In the similar way, you will continue with defining all the rows. आपको बाकी की सारी rows ऐसे ही define करनी है. आप इसको copy कर सकते हो, paste कर सकते हो. Second आ गया. अब now change this to नीचे क्या है? अपूर्वा। ठीक है, थर्ड में क्या है? 5 में, यहाँ पे चेंज कर लो 5 में। देन ईमेल आईडी, change the email ID ap_va@kips.in. ठीक है, then you can give the number, whatever number is there. ठीक है, then save it, go to the browser, refresh it. See, second row is added. Border color is green. Cell spacing is 5. Cell padding is 5 pixels. ठीक है, क्लियर है बेटा? अलाइनमेंट सेंटर में आ रहा है, पेज अलाइनमेंट सेंटर में आ रही है। Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
ma'am.
All of you will do the coding for this web page and you will send me the screenshot or you can share it in the class. Okay, next class.